Hey guys, I'm here to unbox and show you the Lodge 10.5-inch cast iron griddle. This is pre-seasoned cast iron. Look at this baby. Woo! That looks nice. Cast iron, you can use this for, well, anything you want, but the cool thing about this is it's pre-seasoned already, and you don't need to season it. Usually seasoning the cast iron is kind of a pain in the neck, but actually it really looks very, very nice. Very sturdy. You can use this for pizza. You can put pizza on there. You can make pancakes on here. You could maybe try to make a crepe. I don't know if you're going to be able to, but try it. And most importantly, this handle, it's going to get extremely, extremely hot. So what I bought is this. This baby goes on the handle. This is also from Lodge, and this is the silicone hot handle holder. It's made for their pans. Make sure you get the correct one. I'll put the links down below. But this, you just slip on the handle here, and there you have it. Look at that. Feels good, and also allows you to move this around without burning your hand. If you're looking for an incredible cast iron skillet, it's actually nice and low also, so you can get, a spatula under there. What I would do is I'd pick this up on Amazon, and I'll leave the links below. If you like the video and you like the channel, just subscribe, thumbs up. Have a great day.